Ụtụtụ ọma nụ, ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo. Tata bụ afọ ya fụtara anyị ihe ọma. Abụkwa m onye nke gị, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala tempụl. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị tata bụ reincarnation. Jee na my Facebook, anyị nọ live na Facebook ka ị wọchị ya bụ live Facebook live m mere taa. Afa Facebook m bụ Ugochi tubelu oraifite. Ihe eji enweta m chọkwana ka sendịrị m ozi 08057837672 ya WhatsApp nọmba m. Gịnị bụ reincarnation? Reincarnation is real. Achọrọ m ka m summarize ya nkụzi anyị kụziri. Ajụjụ ndị mmadụ nwere ike ịjụ m owu, kedu ihe kpatara na ndị mmadụ enwere ike ịma who they are in the previous life? M wee kọwaa na nkụzi anyị kụziri taa na ihe kpatara na ihe ma ama bụ na all the two things make up a man, a human being: the spirit and the vessel, the human, the ethnic law, the body. Wee kọwaa na life experiences is what imprint on the spirit, and also experiences you when at this life determines your iyowa. No, no, we hear many imprint na your human spirit. And all that your human spirit will reincarnate again with total fresh body. Maka na nwaanyị ga-adị ime 9 months, spirit abanyezie n'ime nwe bido kikibe ewe mmụọ ya. So total fresh body. That whoever you are, you are an academic professor and whatever, you are king, whatever, is only acknowledged in the brain, that intellect, knowledgeable brain. Now, when the spirit left the body decays in the grave. And that brain, the storage, like memory card, is already detached. It's like removing memory card from the MP3 or your phone. The memory card, which is your memory, has been removed from the real you, the spirit. Is in the grave. So in your next life, you cannot remember who you are because the memories have been erased. Because you came with fresh body, that is clean. So your earthly existence or whatever you achieve in this earth life with what we store in that memory, the brain. All but an email who you are, because whenever you reincarnate with a fresh body based on what you want to achieve. Some can be a man in the previous life. Now they want to be a woman in the next world. Therefore, taking on a woman vessel, the body. Unless except few individuals, any opportunity to cast back the bandage force, the weak and for who they are, because of special reason. If not, you are not allowed to see who you are, so that you will not be proud of yourself. Do you know who you are talking about? That I'm a professor of English. So that whatever you have achieved in the previous earth life will not cover your eyes, and you will be proud of yourself in this earth life, so that you will concentrate in what life you are living. Why you should be being nice. That being nice will help you. Doing sacrifice and being nice will help you to raise the depth of your previous earth life. Because karma is real. Galatian systems, God cannot be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you reap. So reaping whatever bad you sow is a sure. Sometimes you'll be thinking that God is partial. Why is it that this man is a good man, but things are so difficult for him? It's because you are judging the person with this particular earth life. No one is here for the first time. But bringing his other life experiences, you will know that this man is still indebted and need to be cleansed and paid up the debt. The problem people have is ignorance. Our Hosea 4 says, my people are suffering because of ignorance. So if you are not knowledgeable enough, you will not understand how things work. How things work is this. Understand that living good life now, it determines your future. So if you don't like what is happening now and they want a better future, start now, sowing a good seed. Even if you don't live long, you are not long, you don't live long enough to start reaping those goodies in your previous earth life, next earth life. In your next earth life, you will start reaping the goodies you have sown now. And even your children will receive the blessing of the goodies you are doing now. To watch this video, today's teaching in full, go to Ugochi tubelu oraifite, Facebook name, watch it full. In the nature video, invite your friends. Anyị na-agba afa mmiri merekwazi ọlụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Ada ọ bụrụ na share video, if you watch my video on YouTube, Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu. Ịchọkwa anyị send the message for any reason, 08057837672. Asị m ịnecha video atụsara ya ndị ya dọrọ. Ya gazienụ. N'ọfọ.